Welcome back to our ServiceNow GRC series. In last video, we explored audit management and ServiceNow helps organizations streamline planning, execution, and remediation of audits. Today, we are moving into another critical area of governance, business continuity management, or BCM. Disruptions are inevitable, whether it's a cyber attack, a system outage, or even a natural disaster. Every organization needs a clear plan to keep operations running. BCM ensures that when the unexpected happens, business can continue delivering critical service with minimal impact. We will cover this in four parts: BCM fundamentals, ServiceNow BCM features, BCM process flow, and finally the benefits organization gain by using ServiceNow BCM. BCM fundamentals. At its core, BCM is about resilience, the ability to withstand and recover from disruptions. Let's break down the fundamentals. Importance of resilience. Organizations depend on technology, interconnected services. Resilience ensures that business operations continue even when disruptions occur. Identify critical services. Not every process is equally important. BCM focus on identifying which services are truly mission critical and prioritizing them during recovery. Planning for disruptions. Instead of reacting in panic, BCM involves preparing strategies and document steps in advance, ensuring continuity. The ultimate goal is to maintain customer trust, regulatory compliance, and operational stability during crisis. In short, BCM shifts the mindset from reactive firefighting to proactive resilience. ServiceNow BCM features. ServiceNow brings automation and structure to BCM with powerful features. Business impact analysis help organization evaluate the effect of disruptions on critical services and prioritize every efforts. Continuity plan creation provides a centralized system to design, document, and manage continuity plans. Emergency workflows. During an incident, automated workflows guide stakeholders through response and escalation steps. Recovery strategies. ServiceNow enables predefined recovery steps such as failover systems or backup process to ensure faster restoration. Together, these features make BCM more actionable, measurable, and BCM process flows. Let's now walk through the typical BCM process flow inside ServiceNow. Risk assessment. Identify threats and that could impact operations. BIE execution. Analyze which services are most critical, the impact of downtime and acceptable recovery times. Plan development. Create continuity and recovery plans tailored to different scenarios, ensuring each critical service has defined backup strategy. Plan testing. A plan is only as good as its execution. ServiceNow enable simulations and drills to test readiness and refine process. This structured flow ensures that organizations are not just documenting plans but actively validating and improving. Benefits of BCM in ServiceNow. Finally, let's talk about the real world benefits of adopting ServiceNow BCM. Reduced downtime, faster response, and predefined recovery steps minimize operational interruptions. Faster recovery, emergency workflows, and automated escalations speed up restoration efforts. Compliance with standards. BCM aligns with regulatory requirements like ISO 22301 and other continuity frameworks. Increase stakeholder confidence. Employees, customers, and partners trust that the organization can handle disruptions effectively. In today's unpredictable world, BCM is not optional, it's necessity. To summarize, BCM is about building resilience by identifying critical services, planning for disruptions, and ensuring continuity. ServiceNow supports BCM with BIA, continuity plan creation, emergency workflows, and recovery strategies. The process flow include risk assessment, BIA execution, plan development, and plan testing. And the benefits range from reduced downtime and faster recovery to compliance and stakeholder confidence. With ServiceNow BCM, organization can face uncertainty with confidence, knowing they are prepared for any disruptions. In our next video, we will build on this theme and explore operational resilience management, which takes continuity planning even further by focusing end-to-end resilience across people, process, and technology. Thank you.